just under half an inch of rain there. Radar view, though, shows the rain. Again, we're on the northern edge of it, pushing steadily south late this afternoon this evening, and it will continue to move away. Tonight, skies will clear even a little bit, partially. Lots of clear sky to the north of us. Unfortunately, as that clearing works to the south, more moisture works into the west, ultimately to rain on us again. More about this time tomorrow. So tonight, damp underfoot but dry overhead.
Emily.
Just a wee little bit. We're down at 36, 42.
Emily.
Thursday will start out with a glimmer of sun and clouds up.
Emily.
Late from the west. High temperature season for 54 to 59. Here's your 7-day forecast. Where your weekend is always in view. Showers, maybe some thunder Friday. Breezy, warmer.
Emily.
The weekend, not bad, not great. Saturday, clouds, sun and shower 59.
You poor baby with the hiccups.
63. We're in the 70s.
I'm sorry, princess.
Showers and storms Tuesday, cool us off by Wednesday. Here's the NBC Weather Plus.
Oh, bless you.
Thank you very much. We want to take you back to Margaretville, New York. Some spectacular video. You see the flames there. This is the manhunt for Travis D. Trev, a suspect in the shooting of another state trooper. You are looking at video.
Your feet are escaping there.
Apparently, SWAT team members shot tear gas into this home.
Oh.
It is engulfed.
Are you gonna fuss?
Indication at this point whether Travis